Okurigera ahari kamara batari myake ya man LC1 w'ekyaro kya Rwensororo hamwe n'abahingi nibagira ngo emisiri yabo yona ecwekerezibwe.
Ombataka banje takiru kintu cyona kikubasa kuyamba abataka kureba nku batuge cyo kurya kikubasa kubayamba batunge cyo kurya kandi baturi mu rekodown igihe turimo no kureba ngu abana bona bari omuka
ebitu byetwe tungire bibele byatwarerebwa ebikusa ebyalya ebihimba byabyabererebwa esyonzu isene maso buri kiru sisiri syatusa.
Chairman nayongera agira ngo obuzibu bwona nubaretwa abarisa bo mu cyaro cya Busunga abayangire ngo batakataho ekiwaya cy'amashanyarazi.
Nanyi nyende government etuyambe itenga abataka etugambira amazima yaba basongora nibo baza kumaririza kureba ngo abataka bakuhinga tibaina mugaso ni government etugambire.
James Okware, Chief Warden wa Mount Rwenzori National Park, kandobira jwechire Chief Warden wa Queen Elizabeth nagira ngo abataka bashyikire kwicaraza bakabateraho ekiwaya cy'amashanyarazi ekizubu eki kikahwaho.
Even in the next 3 weeks which will have sorted out, but because there is that tension, people are pulling ropes. This is the boundary, this is not the boundary. Now where are we going to put the what? And this might be exacerbated if we don't agree, because we might have to leave this and go and start from another place, which is not going to be a good thing.
But I know when we complete the electrical phase, the animals will no longer pass through. We are remaining with a small challenge of one place which is being contested, which is Busunga, and we know very soon we are going to agree.
Abashongora tubakwije kuzubera mess waya kuraba kugenda tubakuza kubasa kukizubera. That's out. That's out. The land belongs to the government, so they release it to us. So tukugira ngo bije ku bantu bagenda batuzubera gukora ngwenya amashozi gumezije kwite ibintu bibi. No way.
Abahingi nebenda government ebahwere ebashumbushe